Hey everybody, it's Debbie here. Just want to show you quickly how I use my top 3 worksheet. I actually just keep it on my desktop so it's always there. So at the beginning of each day I just open it up and it opens up in Adobe Acrobat Reader here. And I've designed this so that you can either focus on your top 3 to-dos for the day, or you can also use this as your top 3 to-dos. And then let's say you have errands or shopping or something else that you need to fold into today's things to do. And then you could also use the third column for this week. What happens is people try to put everything on their to-do just for this day. And then of course you don't get everything done. Now, if I was working on, let's say, a project that was pretty intensive, then I might put up here first step of this project. Maybe I'm redesigning my web page, and then I would start writing the bullets. And then next steps, whether that's tomorrow or next week for that project, and then maybe this month, some of the highlights. So the beauty of this worksheet is every single day you can modify it. You can come up with the top 3 things that you need to accomplish for that day. So again, you can either use each column for that or use one column here. So let's say for today my top 3 things that I want to create is I want to create a new YouTube video. Now I could put the details down here, or if I already in my mind knew what I had to do, I could do that. The next top item that I'm going to work on is I'm actually redesigning my email sequencing. So I'm just putting that note there. And then the next thing, my top third thing that I want to get accomplished today is, let's see, maybe I want to do my Instagram post for today. And that's it. And then on my errands, maybe I do need to go to the post office, and I could go on and on. What I use this column for is, so let's say, as I mentioned, I'm working on my web page. So let me just increase this just a little bit. So for my web page project, maybe some of the to-dos that I have on that is I want to create a landing page. And these items are going to take longer than an hour or 30 minutes, whatever that you've got set aside. But by capturing it in this column, I won't forget it. I know it's on there. My goal is that I'm going to have it done this week. So maybe on my web page, I'm going to create a landing page. Maybe I need to upload my free download. Anyway, you get the point. And maybe another project that I'm working on for this week that I need to finish is maybe I'm working on an ebook that I'm going to be giving. So maybe my first thing is I need to finish the table of contents page and map out the first chapter. Anyway, the list goes on. So that's one way that you can focus on your top 3. Always have a place to put future items, but you want to focus on your top 3. So this is just one way. Down here under my notes, these are just nice little check boxes that you could do. So maybe every day my goal is that I want to exercise 30 minutes. Maybe today I want to do my meal planning. Tomorrow, maybe this isn't appropriate or applicable. Maybe I have something else. Did I take my vitamins today? Anyway, that's just one way that I use it. When I'm all done, I can just delete this. So if I just click this and delete, it's going to ask me, do I want to save these changes? Either you can or just start from fresh each day. Now, if I was building a long list of things that I wanted to accomplish for this week, then I might save it under today's date. And then I can either open this up tomorrow, change the date, modify it, or open up a brand new one. So hopefully that helps you, and I look forward to seeing how you use this worksheet so that you can focus on your top 3 things that need to get accomplished.